Yo, what's up guys? We are back with another video. Today what we are doing is installing a fourth brake light. That's going on there. What up? So I got my car jacked up. I don't got jack stands. I'm hoping it won't fall on me today. Today specifically. But I watched some videos on how to do this. I might be missing some parts, but we'll figure it out. I just know we need a 10 mil. Need a 10 mil and a flathead. This is the truck. Let's just get a whole bunch of stuff out. Hopefully that doesn't fall on me, but we will see.
Don't know if you can see that really, but I can't either. I just know there are two 10 mils somewhere up here. One right here. Okay. I think this is the other one. Okay. But this is the bulb right here. And then beside it there's a clip. Oh, one clip is out. Next clip is over here somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see that. This clip is out. And then there's just one more clip in the middle. I don't know how the hell you take this one out though. There we go. Whole bunch of sand in my face. Okay. So twist out the bulbs. Bulbs are out. Oh. And I broke a clip. But that is out.
So that's out at least. And I'm pretty sure this and this side plugs into just where that bulb is. So I take that bulb out, but this is for the brake lights. How do I get the line to the brake lights? I have no idea what I'm doing right now, to be honest. So, for further investigation, I think I need to take out this panel, and then it'll expose the wires to the brake light. Then all I do is have to tap into that. So hopefully I don't break any more clips, or any clips, period. One. Why are they wet? That's another one, and she's gone. Oh, shit. So this is now out, I'm pretty sure. Uh-oh. I just did something. And I don't know what. I just hear clips popping, but... Oh, there we go. Okay. So that is out. Okay. So, this is where we currently are. Pretty sure this white cable is a brake light cable, but I really do not know. I'm really confused. I really don't know electricity at all, and I don't have a voltmeter. Ooh, what is this down here? Okay. Okay. Okay, where does that go? Let's move that out of the way. There is a little, like, grommet. Oh, shit. There's a little grommet that pops out of the trunk somewhere, and I'm guessing it's this line right here that goes up. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. Okay. So I need this. That's for the reverse light. I need to send down the wire for a brake light as well. So green and black is reverse light. Green and black is a reverse light. Check out this muffler delete. Straight delete mufflers. I'm thinking. I am thinking and struggling. Okay, so that means this right here is also this. It's the reverse light. Dog, I'm so confused. I'm gonna figure this shit out. I'll be back.
Hey guys, it's Kevin from FT86 Speed Factory. We got the Blackbeard.
I think I might have to cut into this and like wire a wire down there through the grommet. But then I'd have to run to Home Depot and grab wire to extend it. That doesn't sound like what I need to do though. So we tried copper speaker wire to aluminum wire. It didn't work. I think it was like a 10 or 12 gauge to a 16 or 18 gauge. Did not work. Just to test it. I still need to test the reverse lights to see if those are right. Don't know how to do that either. We'll figure it out. We finally got it. After a bunch of cutting, a battery run to Dollarama, and a whole bunch of shit. So that's it. Green wire. Green wire is the brake light, not the red wire, like I thought. I tested it, it all works out. But I'm going to bolt everything back in now and then make it prettier because everything's just hanging right now. All I did was just a bunch of temporary testing. Just plugged it in, or not even, I wired it in really quick, and then I tested the two different ones, and this looks like it. Man, that's so much harder than it should have been. But this is not gonna be pretty to begin with. It's not gonna be pretty at all, but it's gonna work and it's gonna look cool. So that's all I care about. Do I want a time lapse? Me putting everything back together? Maybe a small time lapse.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. That this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now
guys, so the install is all done now, and it is a bit darker, so a bit better of a view, or not a view, but like how it looks. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Just gonna set the camera down, give you guys a little bit of a cold start, and then there is a reverse light and a brake light, but there's no like running light, if that makes sense. When you turn on your low beams for nighttime, there's no light for that, which I'm kind of bummy about, but whatever. As long as I have a fourth brake light and some different reverse lights, that's all good to go. So I'm gonna set the camera down now and give you guys a look. So in that last clip you couldn't really tell what it looked like, but this is it right here. So that's what the brake looks like, and then pop it into reverse.
I should probably clutch in first.
Oh, and then that's what it looks like in reverse and on the brake. So that is all for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the install. First thoughts of the brake light is that it kind of seems a bit darker than OEM. I'm not really too sure. Like when you get up close to an object, it looks a bit brighter, but from far away it looks a bit darker. I don't know for sure though. I will start driving it with it a bit more, and then I will know for sure then. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully next mod is headers. I am thinking about getting Tomei unequal length headers soon. My car is gonna scream. All my neighbors are gonna hate me, but oh well. It's cool. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, drop the like. Drop the like. Hopefully you drop the like. But let me know what mods do you think I should do on the 86. Just leave a comment about what your ideas are, if you guys what you've done to your cars or what you want me to do to mine. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.